Hello everybody, my name is Jason Powell and I am the Senior Dean for the Faculty of Health Sciences and Wellness, and it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to this virtual tour of our amazing faculty. I am convinced that our broad range of programs will allow you to find one that is just right for you. An essential and important hallmark feature of all of our programs are state-of-the-art lab spaces, as well as amazing partners that offer work-integrated learning experiences from hospitals to funeral homes to early childhood education laboratories and everything in between. From kinesiology clinics to massage therapy clinics to traditional Chinese medicine, we've got work-integrated learning covered. Our industry partners provide exceptional hands-on practice opportunities for our students. Our students leave those practice facilities ready to serve Ontarians in the health and wellness sectors. Along with our amazing clinical practice sites, state-of-the-art lab facilities, we've got exceptional professors, many trained at the terminal credential or PhD level. Our professors are the best of the best and are ready to provide high-quality teaching and learning in every single credential, in every course within our credentials. I hope in this virtual tour you find what you're looking for. And I hope that you also know you can reach out at any time to inquiry@humber.ca for your additional questions. I thank you so much for your interest in the Faculty of Health Sciences and Wellness, and I look forward to seeing you